Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix when your 5 GHz connection simply isn't showing up on your Amazon Fire TV. So if we're on the home screen here and we scroll on over to settings and we go on over to network right here and we select this, we can press the play button on our connection and we can go to the network status advisor app, which will show us whether it's a 2.4 GHz or a 5 GHz connection. Now, sometimes this doesn't work on the Fire TV and I have to update, etc. But if I go to the switcher, I can utilize this application. It's called Speed Test and Wi-Fi Analyzer. And if I go to Wi-Fi networks on the left side of the screen, I can see whether or not the connection is 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz under here. So if it's not working in the actual status app on the Fire TV, try this application out. Also, I'm going to go to See All Networks, and I can see the different bands on my router. So I have a 2.4 GHz right here on the top, and then this is a 5 GHz connection, Miss Beast. Now, if your 5 GHz is showing up as 2.4 GHz, what you want to do is simply go over to your router and your modem and unplug it from the wall outlet for at least 1 minute, then plug it back in and come back to your Fire Stick and just rescan for everything on the bottom here, and that 5 GHz connection should show up under this list. So it's literally that easy. There's probably just some sort of issue with your router. Restart it, and it should display properly as a 5 GHz connection. Then connect to it, and you should be getting the quicker download speeds. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.